Hey guys, it's me Karina, and today I'm going to be making my first ever video with a special guest, Sophia. Hi. And our first video is going to be about different challenges with the slime that we just made. It's in a plastic bag because
it's purple, just saying.
Yeah.
It probably looks grey on yours, but it's purple prose.
It's in the plastic bag because it's a bit runny
and it popped a bit, so
yeah. We'll come back in a second.
Oh, and these bags are £1.
1 pound.
So it weighs £1. Karina's weighs 3/4, but mine weighs £1. We checked on the scale.
Okay, so we're going to come back in a second. Okay, so for our first challenge, we're going to be doing who can spread their slime on the floor the furthest.
You might not be able to see.
I'll move the camera for you. And by the way, if you're wondering what is this for, I've got a baby sister. Yes, I know it's a girl.
She got it a few.
I've got it on the July the
a month ago.
7th. No, July the 7th.
Oh.
3 weeks before my birthday. So, yeah. Let's get on to the video. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's obviously going to be you because you have less than me. That's as much as I can do it. Done.
In a second. I'll just show you ours. This is Sophia.
This is mine. And now we're going to move on to Karina's. So this is Karina's. It's very flat, but that's because she's got less than me, so...
Okay, so comment down below in the description, comment down below whose was the flattest. And for our next challenge, we'll come back in a second. So for our next one, come in to the camera. So for our next one, we're going to be seeing whose handprint will stay on there the best. So 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going as hard as I could, but try not to pop it. Move back a bit so we can see you.
One second.
Wait.
It's obviously going to be yours because you've got one bag.
I'll try. Okay, so we're going to show you ours in a second. It's going to be Sophia's first, then it's going to be mine.
So this is mine. I think this is bigger than Karina's.
Probably.
This is Karina's.
Probably Sophia's won this round. So comment down below who won that round. I know we're laying down, but because it's easy and we won't be off the camera. Better. So what should our next challenge be? We're going to come in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for our next challenge, our final one is going to be who can flatten out the fastest. So yeah, we're going to have to put it in the ball first, put it down, and who can flatten out the fastest.
Oh, and we forgot to tell you this in the start of the video. She is 13. I'm 14.
Yeah.
So
we're going to start out by putting it into a ball. I'm putting mine here so because mine's got more space. We're not going to show you it on like who was
because you
was
won't
the
be able to
fastest.
see. Look, you can't see.
Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, go. Mine's flattening it out over there. You can see like the corner over here.
I've got a bubble in mine, just popping that. Mine's done.
Sophia's the fastest, I guess, because mine's still like this. Yeah. So it's the end of our first ever video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of who won in all round, and tell us what should our next video be. So yeah, bye bye.